Hi, Hamzah is here. My full name is Hamzah Yumar, and I'm from 12 Social 1. Now, I want to tell you about how to clean this keyboard. My keyboard is mechanical, so for disclaimer, I want to tell you that not all keyboard can be cleaned with this way. So, let's go. Before we start, let's see how dirty my keyboard is. Look at this, it's so dirty. Now, we have to open the keycaps first using the tools. Prepare a large bowl and tools for open the keycaps. Like this, put them in the large bowl. Now, let's wash the keycaps using water. Put the water in the bowl until the keycaps are completely submerged. Then, give some liquid soap and mix it until foamy, like this. And let stand for a few minutes. While waiting, we can clean the head unit of mechanical keyboard. We can use tissue like this, or cotton bud like this. Now, the head unit of mechanical keyboard is clean. Nice. Let's go back to the keycaps. Rinse the keycaps until there is no soap. Then, dry the keycaps using a tissue and put it back on the head unit. Put it back, put it back, put it back until you fall asleep. I always remember that we have to finish what we started as a man. Don't forget about the last piece. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.